How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled due to repeated failed login attempts. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the phone setting, and here you have to go on the app settings. Now you have to search for the Snapchat. Now once you're in, you have to go on the storage and the cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, you have to go on the Google Play Store and search for the Snapchat. Here you have to update your Snapchat. Once you update your Snapchat, you have to go on the Google, and here you have to click on the search bar and go on the Snapchat support. Now you have to submit a request. Here you have to select a reason to access your account. Once you select the reason, you have to go back, and here you have to add your email, phone number, or also add the device name. So yeah, this is how you can fix Snapchat temporary disable account.